Sometimes limitation can be a positive feature. Wowstick 1B Plus and its limited torque is one good example of that. This is a slim form factor dual action electric screwdriver which comes with set of bits. The model that I bought came with 18 bits from regular Phillips bits to driving bits. There is a rocker switch that activates counterclockwise and clockwise rotation. If you need more torque than the motor can deliver, you can use this as a regular screwdriver. That allows doing the final tightening manually, giving you the control of the final torque. Same feature can be used while taking things apart. Limited torque is the limitation that is actually a positive feature. I must make clear that this Wowstick isn't replacement for the usual cordless screwdrivers. This is meant to be addition to the precision screwdriver set. With about 1 month experience on using this Wowstick 1B Plus, I can say that this is a great tool for most applications where these small precision screwdriver bits are suitable. That is, for screws in small electronic gadgets and such. Limited torque prevents over-tightening and therefore ruining the plastic threads on the cases. Final torque can be achieved with manual quarter-turn twist. The 1B Plus model that I got gets its power from 2 AAA batteries. There are models with lithium battery, but I prefer this one with replaceable batteries. This may not be capable of doing things that you couldn't do using manual screwdriver, but this may be more comfortable. For $15 I'm very happy with my purchase. I bought this from Banggood. Banggood is having their 13th anniversary. I'll put some links in the description about that. See you in next video. Thanks. Bye.